from driving a vintage sports car to making fragrant perfume in France's capital of perfume making, to e-biking in Nice, France's Côte d'Azur offers some cool adventures. Here are a few of the most inspiring and unique. Want a taste of luxury but don't have the budget to buy a sports car? Through Rent a Classic Car, you can drive an antique vehicle on your holiday. Movie buffs may want to pick a car featured in films from Hollywood's golden years. You may feel like Grace Kelly and Cary Grant as you drive a convertible along some of the same coastlines featured in the 1955 Alfred Hitchcock film To Catch a Thief on this adventure. Next, visit Grasse to learn how perfume is made and make your own at the Fragonard Perfume Factory.
So Grasse has been involved since the Middle Age in the perfume industry, in the perfume activity. We have two main emblematic flowers that we are very proud of with the best quality, rose and jasmine.
To make a perfume, professional noses choose from thousands of essences in the factory, combining dozens to make just one scent. Workshop leaders instruct travelers on the proper techniques, helping you to smell and blend until you've made your very own scent. Lastly, you need to explore the fifth largest city in France, Nice. Located close to France's border with Italy, many Italian influences are seen in the architecture, food, and lifestyle. You can have your baguette along with some pasta, and then work it all off on your very own e-biking adventure, a great way to get acquainted with this pedestrian-friendly but hilly city. Just a few of the unique ways to enjoy and explore the Côte d'Azur.